guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna do a kind of different video from what I usually do. I'm just mostly gonna be talking about a camera gear, and this is the Insta360 One X3. This video is not sponsored. I just bought this 3 days ago with my own money as a present to myself, and I'm kind of excited to use this camera to film when I'm just riding the motorcycle, because it really allows for extremely creative shots and different perspectives. So I'm gonna try a few of them now. It's not gonna be an exhaustive list of what you can do. The possibilities really are infinite. The only limit is your imagination, let's say. And I'm just gonna show you around what you can do and what kind of shots you can get, because I think it really adds to the production value when you make a video. And it really allows to showcase the environment that surrounds you as you ride the motorcycle. So hopefully I'm gonna have enough light to do this, because it's getting late already. So on that note, let's start. So the first way you can use this camera is just as a regular action cam, which doesn't really add much compared to a GoPro. In fact, I think the GoPro looks slightly better. But this is what you can do. You can film towards yourself, and you can film what's on the other side, because the camera has two lenses. So I'm just going to show what it looks like when I'm riding and this camera is filming me. And as you can see, the field of view is relatively wide without being too obscenely wide. So we're going to see what it looks like when I'm actually moving. Let's go. Demonstration of the single lens mode, which gives you the best quality when what you want to do is just to film in a single direction. Both lenses are the same, so the quality is going to be the same whether you're filming yourself or you're filming the road or the side. Now obviously the point of a 360 camera is to capture everything around you all at once, so that you can reframe in post-production and choose what you show to the people. So let's go with this mode and see what we can do with it. Okay, so now that I've shown you a couple ways that you could mount the camera to the bike and to your helmet, I'm going to show you something a bit stupid. It's to use a drone like this one. This is the DJI Air 2, and strap the Insta360 camera to the drone and see what happens. Hopefully it's not going to crash. I did try this at home, and it was working, and there is absolutely no wind at all, so it should go okay. So I'm just going to show you what I'm using here. You have a couple options for the drone. I did test a couple things. So the one that I'm going to do right now is I'm going to mount the camera on top of the drone using a Velcro strap. Now this is usually a Velcro strap that you use to wrap it to your wrist. You know, that's the GoPro accessory thing. It's a cheap knockoff, of course. It's not the official one. And I'm just going to strap it like this, and the camera is going to be standing on top of it. And this seems to be the most stable configuration, counterintuitively. I also did try to hang it underneath, but it was doing a lot of small oscillations like this at a high frequency, and it didn't seem that stable. So I'm going to go with the one on top, even though it may sound counterintuitive, but from the testing that I did with the control scheme of the drone, it seems to work better. So let's go. Right, so one of the things that you need to really take care about is to push the strap as far forward as possible, because it won't touch this propeller nor this one, but here it won't touch either, because if you push it all the way there, the propeller may get caught in the strap, and then it's just not going to work well. You may lose the drone like this, so make sure that it's pushed all the way up there. Then you have to use another accessory from GoPro, or a cheap knockoff, so that this is a GoPro mount, and you just have a 1/4 inch screw, the standard thing that is at the bottom of the camera, and you're just going to put the camera on top of it and make sure that it's lined up. So I'm just going to do this now. Okay, so as you can see, the drone is here, and I'm just going to screw this in. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's mostly centered, and the thing that you're going to want to care about is to face either the screen or the other side towards the front of the drone, because the stitch line is in between the two lenses, and sometimes you do have some weird artifacts that come up in this region, in this whole plane. So I would suggest that you put it this way. Even though it's going to put more drag on the drone, it is going to look way better. And you shouldn't even try to go fast with the drone like this, because it's really not designed for that. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something useful. If you have any questions about the camera or the way you can use it, don't hesitate to post all the questions in the comments. I will read them and I will try my best to answer all of them. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I post sometimes. Bye.